In this video, I will discuss only premium laptops with the latest and most powerful processors, all within a budget of 60,000. Have you come across a laptop with 8 to 9 hours of battery backup? I'm not referring to MacBooks. I have found the best future-proof laptops that you can comfortably use for a decade. I will cover laptops for coding, video editing, gaming, all the categories that you are looking for. Make sure to watch video till end because in between I cover the most important things that you need to know before you buy a laptop. With that, let's get started. Starting off with the most affordable option on the list, we have Asus VivoBook 15 at $57,990. This laptop comes with Intel i7 12650 12th Gen H series processor, 10 cores, 16 threads. H series is made for powerful tasks and these are much more powerful than U and P series processors. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos. You can see the Geekbench scores of the processor are higher than Ryzen 7 6800H and Intel i7 11800H, which you get in this budget range. This is going to be definitely a value for money laptop. This can easily handle heavy coding and intense tasks without getting hang. In terms of memory, this comes with 16GB DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 24GB, and a 512GB of SSD storage that is also expandable. Standard 15.6-inch Full HD IPS display with 220 nits of brightness and 45% of NTSC. NTSC value represents the range of the colors a display can accurately reproduce. NTSC of 72% or more is required for display to produce vibrant and accurate colors. So, the display of this laptop I would say is moderate. Again, when tested, this gives a battery backup of 4 to 5 hours. The laptop comes with backlight keyboard, 180-degree hinge, a strong military-grade durability, free McAfee Life Save for 1 year and MS Office 2021 lifetime validity. In terms of ports, this has USB Type-A, Type-C and a HDMI jack. Summing up, with latest Intel i7 powerful processor and both RAM and storage expandable, this makes it a future-proof laptop which you can easily use for more than a decade. Maybe that is the reason why this is the highest selling budget laptop suitable for students and professionals. If you are feeling confused about which laptop to buy to serve your purpose, watch my video on laptop buying guide on my channel page. At number 2, we have Lenovo Yoga Sim 6. For this, we will have to stretch our budget a bit by 5 to 6,000, but this is a worth it laptop. This comes with Intel i5 1240 12th Gen P series processor, 12 cores, 16 threads. This processor is little less powerful than we saw with the previous laptop, but this comes with the Intel Evo certification. Intel Evo is a label for premium laptops that has additional features of 8 to 9 hours of battery backup, supports Type-C fast charging. In 30 minutes, you get 4 hours of battery backup. And this is the only Evo laptop that you get in this price range. Geekbench scores of the processor are here. You can see this is more than Intel i5 12450H series processor. In terms of memory, this comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM, not expandable, 512GB Gen 4 SSD which is expandable. Memories DDR5 and Gen 4 both are latest and much faster. This laptop comes with a compact 14-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display with 2.2K resolution, 60Hz refresh rate, 300 nits of brightness and a 100% sRGB ratio, making it a best quality display. This is one of the lightest laptop weighing just 1.3 kg. With this laptop, you get a MS Office 2021 lifetime validity, backlight keyboard, gaming pass for 3 months. This has a metal body with strong military-grade durability. And in terms of ports, you get USB Type-A, Type-C, a Thunderbolt port and a HDMI jack. This is a premium, lightweight, compact Evo laptop best suitable for students and working professionals. So please do consider this. This was all about professional laptops. If you find these laptops a bit expensive, watch my video on best laptops under 50k budget. Now coming to best gaming and video editing laptops, I have come up with 3 options for you. Gamers will know that the most important aspect of gaming laptop is display refresh rate. If you are a casual gamer, 60Hz of refresh rate should be fine. But if you are in competitive league, you will require 144Hz of refresh rate. And if you are top of the line professional gamer, then you should consider displays with 240Hz of refresh rate. High-end games with low refresh rate will look blur, lagging, and you lose the quality. With that being said, let's check the best gaming laptops. The best budget gaming laptop in this range is Lenovo IdeaPad Gaming 3 with current price of $62,990. This laptop comes with AMD Ryzen 7 6800H series processor and a dedicated graphics card of NVIDIA RTX 3050 with TGP 85W, a display of 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare panel and a 250 nits of brightness and 120Hz of refresh rate. This makes it a perfect budget gaming laptop. You should also know that gaming laptops are best for video editing. These laptops can also handle heavy programming, just that these are little bulkier and battery backup will be little low than professional laptops. Otherwise, gaming laptops can do any kind of heavy task that you are looking for. Coming back, in terms of memory, the laptop comes with 16GB DDR5 RAM, expandable up to 32GB, and a storage of 512 Gen 4 SSD, also expandable. This has a backlight keyboard, 3 months of gaming pass, and a MS Office 2021 with lifetime validity. It's very rare for a gaming laptop to have MS Office, which is good. This laptop incorporates all the latest components: processor, RAM, storage, graphic card. So without any doubt, please do consider this. But if you can push your budget a bit, then you will get a better quality display, which will be a worth of it. Did you know that Lenovo started a new brand for budget gamers? It's called Lock. Its current price is $67,990, and this laptop comes with Intel i5 12450 12th Gen HX series processor and NVIDIA graphics card RTX 3050 with TGP 95W, which is higher than previous laptop we discussed, and a higher quality display of 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare display with 300 nits of brightness and 100% sRGB value and 144Hz of refresh rates. It's the best quality display you ever get in this budget range. With a similar memory configurations like previous laptop, this comes with RGB backlight keyboard, a gaming pass of 3 months, and a battery capacity of 6 hours. This is my favorite laptop of this price range. At same price, we have another tough competitor with almost similar configuration. It's Asus TUF Gaming F15. This comes with Intel i7-11800H series processor. This has higher clock speed than Lenovo Lock i5 12th Gen HX, which results in faster performance for single-threaded applications. With NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti with a TGP of 60W and a display of 15.6-inch Full HD IPS anti-glare panel, 250 nits of brightness and 144Hz of refresh rate. In terms of memory, this has 16GB DDR4 RAM, expandable up to 32GB, and a 512GB of SSD storage. The laptop comes with 1 month of Game Pass and a Windows 11 Home with lifetime validity. Display color accuracy of Lenovo Lock is better than this. Other side, this has more powerful i7 processor than Lock. So let me know in the comment section which one do you find worth buying.